Okay, update everyone. We just did a little bit of a hike up to like a waterfall area, stream, as you can see. There's Martin and Clinton. Oh my gosh, it was so steep to get up here. My legs feel like they're burning, but it looks really nice, so pretty. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Wow, isn't that amazing? We're amongst the mountains. It's beautiful. Martin, say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Isn't this
Martin.
amazing and interesting?
Yeah.
We're really seeing it all over here, aren't we?
Yeah. Very beautiful. Scenic, isn't it?
Very scenic, the best scenic.
Always the scenic, isn't it? But yeah, very nice. Loving it. We have to walk back soon. We've got to get our ferry. But yeah, it's very pretty. It's just so nice, isn't it? Doesn't even look real. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, that's Rosendal. Rosendal Waterfall. I'd call it more of a stream myself personally, but it's still great.
I think there's still something further
I think
up.
you reckon.
That's the thing.
Right. Martin's got his
Hopes
hopes
where those
up
people
high.
down. My hopes are high.
But it's awesome. So pretty. So nice. Right, another 3-hour hike. Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. So loving it. But yeah, Clinton wants to move here. Get a cabin up in the hills. Wouldn't that be great? But yeah, so that's great. Very beautiful, very scenic. I feel like I'm getting my workout today. But yeah, amazing. So hello from Rosendal, I guess. And until our next update. That's it.